Good morning traders, welcome to Trade Setup and the morning jumpstart for the 30th of September. Okay, markets were a bit mixed overnight. We had the US was down and Europe was a bit mixed. Investors got concerned about the health of Deutsche Bank, which weighed down on the banking sector, and also we had Wells Fargo. There's problems there on Wells Fargo, so that's filtering through to the market. Okay, let's take a look at the overall market at the moment. SPY 200 futures closed down 34 points. The S&P futures closed down 14 and 3/4 points. FTSE 100 closed up 73.5 points. DAX closed down 37 points. Gold finished only 20 cents lower. Oil finished up 67 cents, continuing on for the previous night's session. CRB index finished down 0.07 of a point, and the Aussie's currently around the 76.33 level. Okay, let's take a look now at the 30-minute chart in the ASX 200. We had that push up into the close from yesterday, push up towards 54.84. That was just after the night session open. We made those highs and then we pretty much backed off overnight. Found some sellers as sellers stepped in and pushed us down to the 54.44 and the 54.33 area. We sort of expected, as the market was well overbought in this region, going into the close yesterday, so we expected some sort of profit taking or the sellers just to step in and push the market a bit lower. Now this trend up is still holding. The overall price structure still looks positive. This trend needs to hold up. If we do find some more sellers and make it that lower high, we could potentially, like this red one here, we could potentially roll over and push straight down through 54, 44 and 33 and head our way back down to that anchor leg, which is holding that trend up there to 53.78. We'll see how that goes. Obviously, if that price action, we may spike a bit lower today towards the 54.33 on the open, wash out a few long positions and then bounce back up and just consolidate going into the close of the day. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, yeah, we'll just, if we pop up above 54.30, 54.58, come pull back, make that higher low again, and then we could be pushing up there. But I think that's a bit unlikely for today. I think those problems with the banks are going to filter through into the US session again tonight. Okay, here's the Aussie dollar 1 hour chart. It's pretty much carried out just the way we spoke last night. We've had that double bottom, that minor double bottom there at 74.45. Markets pushed higher, stepping up with higher lows and higher highs. Now that trend looks to have been broken overnight. We were expecting a washout of that 76.95, which we did get, and we've made that lower high here around the 76.80 to 90 zone, and then we've broken down. So that uptrend has broken down, because especially the fact that we've taken out 76.45 is quite a negative type of move. The next level down is the 76.05. That's that anchor to that minor trend up to 76.95. So if we get market action pushes through again today and pushes down to there, I'd expect it to be retested, at least a few of those long positions washed out, a few stops taken out of that zone before bouncing back and potentially making a major lower high somewhere, pushing down, bouncing back, making a major lower high, and then rolling over from there. Obviously have to see how that goes today, but yeah, I think we're going to get a bit more consolidation action before anything else. The market is still in oversold territory, so a bit of buying. We probably do expect a bit of buying, a bit of a bounce, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, look at a stock today. There's a few we're looking at today. Obviously, we've got our eye ons, but one is Qantas. This on the weekly chart looks very negative. We've made this consolidation. We broke down out of that consolidation through 367. On the way down, made a bit of a bounce to make a lower high at 345. And then pushed our way lower to 262. Now we did bounce, and we've got that major washout we can see there, and rejection of 345, and then we've found some selling again. Sellers have stepped in and pushed it lower, made another minor lower high at 340 or that area there before breaking down. So we were short alert around 322 in the market, and it did push down initially, come back and retested, and then we're currently pushing down today. So if the market's negative today, we could get some further selling through 311, looking towards at least 298 and then potentially down to 262. We have to see how that plays out. Anyway, that's it for today, and we'll speak again tomorrow. And don't forget, traders, you can go to our YouTube channel to subscribe. Just go to www.youtube.com/c/TradeSetup AU, and you can view all the uploaded videos we've taken so far.